heard you got a big body, but a little face, ayy. Got a 41 bezel, it's 100K, ayy. If I feel a way, then I'm gon' say it to your face, ayy. If I put a block today, I make 100K, ayy.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be showing you guys how I take care of my natural hair under my twist, and maybe a few styles that I have been doing lately with my twist. So if you want to check this out, keep on watching. Okay, so first let me take these down. So the first thing that I'm going to do, I'm going to use my African Royal Braid Extension Sheen Soothing Itching Spray. And this is what it looks like. And then I'm just going to spray that on my scalp. Okay, and then the next thing that I do, I take my black castor oil coconut. I'm just going to put that in my hand and then dip my fingers into my hand. I'm just going to dip and rub that into my scalp. Okay. Now, sometimes at night, I will put my conditioner on my hair. Well, not on my hair, but on the edges. Tie it down just to condition my edges, and it actually lays them down just like a gel would do. But since I'm gonna do Eco Styler, I'm not gonna do that. So moving on, I'm just going to put that on my edges. So for styling, of course you can do down simple style. You can take this side like this, and you can bobby pin it, or you can take these two. If you flip that back, it'll give you like this little, you can put that in a ponytail, or you can wrap it up into a bun. You can also take pieces from the side and tie them. Like that. Or you can twice. So these are just some basic styles that you can do on your twist, some down styles. If you guys would like to see more, maybe like some updos and things like that, I can definitely do that. So leave comments down below. Y'all already know what it is. I'm out.
Heard you got a big body but a little